Hello, beautiful family. How are you all doing? Thank you for the love and the support. So, my beautiful family, today I have a quick one to share with you. One that they say shall never end. The video before you all is talking about the nurses in Nigeria. They are now complaining that whenever they want to apply for visa for Japa, they say the process is too long. And now the process of giving them the verification letter that they really deserve as their own right is not forthcoming. They said like you will wait for 2 years, I don't know. And some of them are complaining that they paid them 20,000 naira as a professional nurses in Nigeria. That is why they are planning for Japa. See, I don't want to talk too much. I want to listen and make sure you watch the video to the end. And I'll be right back.
Again, we are saying that the federal government, we are urging them for the immediate constitution of NMCN board, in which our colleagues will be adequately represented before any decision could be made. Again, we are acknowledging the immense action faced by Nigerian nurses and midwives. The second, all the government at all levels to prioritize improving our health condition, our working conditions, and again, our remuneration package should be outstanding. We are not saying 200,000 here. We are not talking 300,000 here. We are not talking 500,000 here. When we are saying improve remuneration package, we are talking of what outside what they are paying. If you want us to stay in the country, be ready to pay us at least 2.5 million. I want to summarize that we are saying that the federal government through the NMCN should withdraw with immediate effect that particular satanic circular. It should be totally released and removed, and the new one should be released and should release. And again, we are urging them in the next 48 hours. We want to hear that particular response, and our verification should be done within 48 hours. That is how it has been done. It's been done in outside world. Of the greatest and greatest and greatest and greatest and greatest Nigerian nurses.
Great nurses, greatest nurses. This is not all about abroad. For us to fight quackery, there must be verification. So if you are saying somebody must work for 2 years before that person is verified, indirectly you can say any organization can employ a quack, and that quack can work for 2 years. When it's time for verification, that quack will leave the organization, go to another organization and work for 2 years. For 2 years, do you know how many patients quack you can kill? So it's not about traveling abroad. It is our right. It's just that when they employ you, they put you on probation. The essence of probation is for them to verify your credentials. Now NMC is telling us that for them to verify every nurse that they've issued license to practice, for them to verify the person's credentials, that the person must practice for 2 years. Is that the right practice? We are saying no to that obnoxious practice, and we are asking them to withdraw that circular. That is number one. Secondly, there is no shortage of nurses anywhere in Nigeria. If federal government is saying there is shortage of nurses, let them put up an advertisement and see how many nurses that we apply within a week. So there is no shortage of nurses anywhere. All they are doing is to intimidate us. All they are doing is to blackmail us. All they are doing is to keep us in suffering. And we are saying no to it. We are saying no to it. If you go to some general hospitals, nurses are using phone light to take delivery. We are saying no to it. There is no electricity in our hospitals. There is no security. Nurses are being raped. We are saying no to it. Another one is that we say no because Nursing and Midwifery Council is the only authorized body to verify nurses. So telling us to go back to our CEOs to verify us, that is outrageous and we are rejecting it. We are saying no to it. So we are asking the Nursing and Midwifery Council to take up their responsibility. It is not the duty of the CEO to say who is a nurse. It is the duty of Nursing and Midwifery Council because they issue a license. And we are saying no to this new guideline. We are giving them 24 hours to withdraw this guideline. If not, we are calling on now to immediately summon an emergency meeting and call for a nationwide strike. Nurses cannot be working and suffering at the same time. And we are saying no to anything that will make nurses to have begin to suffer unemployment. Finally, we are saying that verification, we already have portal where all nurses' details are registered. So verification should not take more than a day. It should not take more than 24 hours. So if you are telling us that you are keeping up for 6 months, that is nothing aside from backplay. But we are saying today that we are giving us an African Council of Nigeria that going forward, all we need to do is that verification should not take more than 24 hours. Those are our demands. If these demands are not met, we continue to protest until they are met. Great notice!
One more question for this National Military Council, Mr. Farouk in particular. My question goes like this. If my medical director, if the doctor in charge of my hospital has to certify me for my verification, who is going to certify the medical doctor when he wants to travel abroad? Or when he wants to go to further his education? Please, Mr. Farouk, on behalf of National Military Council, I want this letter to be answered within 48 hours.
A representative of Niger Nurses Forum. We are here to condemn the verification portal shut down by NMCN without prior notification. And we are also here to condemn the new guidelines set by NMCN for verification. We are nurses licensed by the NMCN. So, lawfully, we should not be expecting our own regulatory body to refer us back to any head or CMG to give us authorization letter for our own verification. That is totally wrong and an act of human rights violation. So in this vein, we are calling on the NMCN registrar, Nurse Umar Farouk Abubakar, to reverse the new verification guidelines. Instead, Nurse Farouk should work towards proper placement for nurses in the federal health system and states in general. We are also calling on the NMCN registrar to work towards proper remuneration for nurses. We are calling upon him to also work towards proper hazard allowance for nurses. And according to them, they said it is because of the shortage of nurses they are trying to prevent Japa. Lots of nurses are in Nigeria and unemployed. Lots of nurses are in Nigeria working in private hospitals unequally. Lots of nurses are in Nigeria whose licenses are being used unauthorized by private hospitals for accreditation. That is, I believe that is, what do we call it? What do we call it in law? Intellectual property fraud is what we call it in law. We expect the NMCN registrar to fight for all these things rather than coercing nurses to forcefully stay back. And as it is now, it is not affecting only nurses in Nigeria. There are some nurses abroad, like those in Canada, that wants to change their profile. They are not able to do so because the verification portal has been shut down. Those in the US, they are unable to move from one state to another because they are unable to access the verification portal. So we say no. So we say no to this new verification guidelines. We say no. We say no to operation of nurses. In this way, we say we don't go free for anybody.
let's leave the road. We have students who partner on ground, and we want us to hello, please are we the mark out is going to be please guys, can we remove that banner please? This one, just remove this, we are taking it along. The one at the base. So I don't want us to be on the view of the road. We are starting from this end. Then leave the people from there. Then we'll come back there and we'll come back to the office press conference. So please, whoever that is, please, we want us to follow the bus while we are doing. So there's some people that will be doing the speaking in terms of awareness so that our voice will be heard. So, okay, so we are going to move to the front of the bus. So bus will be coming behind. So please, but in traffic management, please, all hello, please, where we are going, we need to guide the traffic. So anytime you see the main nurses also join them, just listen and follow order. Thank you. So we'll start with nursing and care. Educate. Yes. So let everybody go to the front. Okay, so we are moving to the front. Hello. Let's march to the front of the bus. Let's march to the front of the bus.
One no, sorry.
Sorry, can we wait a little, just
we especially ordained for this profession. Yes, I'm proud to be a nurse. I'm proud of this salary. We especially ordained for this profession. Yes, I'm proud to be a nurse. Things are caring and every form of humility and service. We especially ordained for this profession. Yes, I'm proud to be a nurse.
Another challenge, yo. Another challenge, yo.
We especially ordained for this profession. Yes, I'm proud to be a nurse. And every tone of humility and service. We especially ordained for this profession. Yes, I'm proud to be a nurse. Every generation, we are the same, and I'm the we are the song of God to anyone, and we should be for building on every
go gree o, I no go gree. What about that? Thank you. That's all.
Double challenge you, another challenge you, another challenge you, another challenge you, double challenge you, another challenge you, another challenge you, double challenge you.
We no go gree. We no go gree. Oh, we no go gree. Nothing cancel. We no go gree.
And you are. Because I want to. They tell me to make I move.
Nothing
Down. Take your camera.
we no go gree. Oh, we no go gree. Nothing cancel. We no go gree. We no go gree. Oh, we no go gree. Nothing cancel. We no go gree. We no go gree. Oh, we no go gree. Nothing cancel. We no go gree. Now the second, we don't agree. And now we the heart of sense of caring. We are built on integrity and discipline. That has led through every generation.
Every madam.
We are the sons and born to anyone.
Boss, just a minute. Car coffee, ya banner, please. Okay, sir. Okay, sir. Are you done?
I don't stand.
Yes. Ibi tí màá dúró sí ní kúrò lè bọ́. Ẹkúṣẹ́. Ibi tí bẹ́ẹ̀ wà ní kò wáyé. Ọ̀sàlẹ̀ mi. Mo lè sáré mú sàlẹ̀ mi. Mama, mo lẹ́tà. No, àwọn tó wà wájú yẹn.
Wọ́n lè gẹ̀ẹ́tẹ̀ o.
O lè gẹ̀ẹ́tì àwọn tó wà wájú yẹn.
Ẹ̀wọ̀n ò ní kú náà ni.
I'm going from front. There's one place I want to go and you say, Moto will follow me from front.
Yes.
So my wonderful family, that brings us to the end of this update. Do well to like the video, share and subscribe. Thank you and bye bye.